doing, my little man? What are you doing? See, I have to go to the doctor today. And I have to get my shots, and I don't want them. No, I don't want them, but I have to. Yeah. What are you doing? Oh, look at all this energy. Are you going to do some talking? You going to say, ah. Good. Ah. Oh. Oh. Is it stuck? The words are just stuck in there? Cat got your tongue? Go ahead. Say hello. Oh. Say hello. Go ahead. Say hello. Nothing? You got nothing? Like my shirt? Mommy's new man. Oh. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Alright, well, see you later. You think this phone is so cool, don't you? Just looking up like, what is that thing? That is so cool. You want one? You can have one if you want to. Okay. Bye. Bye, Gavin. See you later. Bye.